Hello and welcome to Tech Computer Classes. Now the next session of the Windows 7 operating system. So in previous session of the Windows operating system we had learned was related to the desktop and related to mouse, how to change your mouse buttons and the desktop icons. So today's session we are going to cover some of the how to rearrange your icons and how to operate your Windows 7 operating systems. So keep your mouse in between and right click, and these are the options with view, sort, refresh, then graphics property, graphics option, new, screen resolution, gadgets. So these are the options what we are going to cover right now. Now this is operating for the Windows 7. Okay, now what are the usage of this? You have to come to know that. Now view, if you click on view, you will see the sub menu. Here there are some options shown here: large icons, medium icons, small icons, which are shown here. You'll see this as your large. If you click on large icon, you'll find all icons are large on your desktop. Now if you want to make it medium, click on medium icon. You'll find icons becoming medium. Right click again, view, and small icons. So this is called operating, that how you will control your icons related, means how you want your icons to be on your screen, like that. So normally we keep medium icon. This is better. Right click, sort. What is sort? Sort means sorting alphabetical wise, descending wise. So automatically it is name wise, size wise, item wise, modified wise. Whatever your icons are displayed on the screen is right now item wise. Item type wise means if you want name wise, you will find this icons coming name wise. Right click here, size wise. Now what is the size? What is the memory capacity of this icon or computer program? What is the size of it? So accordingly, size wise it will display icons on your desktop. Again, if you keep right click here, sort and item type, you will see that item type wise normally we keep in sort item type wise. If you want date to be modified, date and time wise, when the icons was been created, so it will sort date and time wise. So whenever we make any changes to the screen or anything, and if you want to get a refresh, we can refresh is the icon, or you can press F5 button also. So by right click, refresh, or F5 button from the keyboard function key. Both are same functions. Okay. Sort. So in view there are few more functions are there: auto arrange icons, align icon to grid, show desktop icons, and show desktop gadgets. Okay, if you want to show the desktop gadgets onto the screen, you can show them. View. Now if you click here, auto arrange, now actually what is happening, now if I disable this auto arrange icon and take my mouse towards the icon and I will click anywhere, you will find that your icons are getting placed anywhere, wherever you want on your desktop. See, wherever I want to set my icons accordingly, I can set the icon. But if you will click view and you will say auto arrange icon, your computer desktop will automatically arrange in systematic order. So always your icons are on left part of the screen. If you will click on auto arrange icon. But if you want manually to be arranged your icon, so you have to disable this option. And then suppose for example this icon, if you want here, some of the icons you want here, where you want to separate, so you can separate it, and you can keep this icon as per your requirement. This is great. You can set these icons. Right click here, I will auto arrange. So always keep your, my suggestion to you is always keep your auto arrange icon, so it should be enabled. Okay, now here this is show desktop icons. You can see this desktop icons onto your screen, but if you want to disable this, you will see that it is gone from the desktop, so it hides your icon. Again, if you want, right click here, view, show desktop icons. I will come back, will display onto your desktop. Right click here. Now this is the graphics property here, graphics option. Graphics means your VGA display adapter. Which screen do you want? This is Intel HD graphics controller screen. This is display. If you click on display, you will find different options are there. But we don't have to touch these options because already it is, I will say that by default your screen display has been set by Intel HD graphics controller. So I think we should not disturb this setup by what it is given by Intel HD graphics control panel. So I think, but for the knowledge sake, if you want, so this is your model number of the monitor. This is your current settings, which is here. This is a basic, advanced, basic level. Resolution is 1920 by 1080. Refresh rate is 16 HP hertz. Resolution 0. Scaling is maintain display scaling. So keep your settings as it is, default setting. So do not disturb the setting. If you want to click here, get back here. This is 3D. This is balance, quality, performs. So keep as it is, whatever it is given by the software Intel graphics control panel. So do not disturb to all those options, otherwise you can face your display problem if you don't understand properly, because the default settings are better for your operating systems. So I think see, the default settings are given. See, already it is there. So the settings already given here. Right click here, graphics option. This is hot panel, system tray, tray icon. Suppose if you want graphics to be enabled here, you will see on your system tray this. If you click here, graphics property, you will find same thing coming here. So whenever your computer starts, your HD graphics icons get started on your system tray. If you want, right click, exit the tray. So don't keep this graphics option onto your tray. So it should be disabled. So whatever your graphics related are there, means display, VGA display is called graphics. So this properties, graphics properties, or the graphics options, whatever is given by Windows 7 operating system and the drivers which are installed by Intel is default. So do not touch these options until you have a hardware proper knowledge. So I will say that for these two options, whatever defaults are there, keep as it is. So do not touch to these options. Okay, now new. Now what is new? New means there are some of the program icons also, and if you want to create say folder is nothing but your directory, and click here on folder and you will find that a yellow folder comes onto your screen, and you will find below that a new folder. So if you want this folder to give some name, okay, so I will right click here, and here there is an option called rename. So you will find cursor coming onto your folder icon. So I will write the name here. Now what name I will write here? Say training program folder. So this becomes your training program folder. Now if I click on it, you will find that training program coming onto this panel, and you will find there is nothing in training program. So your training program is your folder. Similarly, suppose if I click here, if you right click here again, you will find the same option here, folder shortcuts. Any shortcuts if you want of the program, you can also create the shortcuts also. Now here there are the programs, a Microsoft Word document. If I click here, you will find that new document Microsoft window has been saved on training program folder. Now if I click here, you will see here saved on this. The same way, if you want this thing on your desktop, either you can click here. This it gets started. Mouse is too fast. Click here and drag. Oh God. Click here and drag outside. You will see that from here the place is empty, and you will find this new Microsoft Office Word documents comes on your desktop. Now if you want your same thing over here, press control and drag it and leave. You will find that the duplicate copy of this program has been again copied in training program folder. So here also is there and here also is there. So both the things. I will close this window. See, if you click here on this, here also program is there and here also program is there. Got it? Now same way, suppose if I delete this, whatever I will delete, what it is, are you sure you want to move this file to recycle bin? Whichever file we deleted, just press delete button from the keyboard and your deleted file will come in recycle. So these are all deleted files. These are all deleted files. If you want to empty this recycle bin, just click empty the recycle bin. So your empty recycle bin is just like a dustbin where all your deleted files are stored in recycle bin. Okay, and of course, suppose if I delete this, you will find that your recycle bin is again occupied. You'll see that training program comes in recycle bin. If you want to get back again, just click here, click on training program, and you will see that restore this item, or you can right click here and just click on restore. You will see that it will come back on your desktop operating system, on your desktop again, I mean to say. Followed? So this is operating system. So we should know that where our folders are going, how to create the folders, which file has to be saved where. So all these things is nothing but an operating system, how to operate your PC. In this, how to control your folders, files, programs, that only we have to learn properly and get it understand. Followed? So here we complete our today's session. Thank you very much.